Good morning, everyone. Here Gopal Srivastava. I am taking you science. Student, in previous class, I have completed the all topics of chapter number 5, rock and minerals. Now, today, student, I will explain the exercises of chapter number 5. So, all of you get ready to write down the answer. Some in the direct in the book, and some you will write down in your fair copy. Okay, student? So all of you get ready with pencil, pen, sharpener, eraser. Okay? So student get ready. Write down class 5th, subject science, topic year size of chapter number 3. You will write down only the chapter number 5, rock and mineral. Okay, write down rocks and mineral in the head of the page. Okay, chapter number 5, rocks and minerals. In previous classes, I have already completed the all topics of your chapter number 5. I want to also take the book for the explanation of the answer. So all of you open the book, page number 59. Page number 59. First, choose the correct answer. So answer number 1. Question is, lava cools to form. Lava cools to form. You know, lava are all form from the deep inside of the earth to the when the eruption of the volcanic eruption, they come out on the earth surface, they cool to form the igneous rock. So the correct answer will be A. Tick this. IGNEOUS, igneous rock. Answer number 2. A sedimentary rock among the following is sedimentary rock: granite, pumice, sandstone and basalt. Generally, sedimentary rock are the formation of the metamorphic and igneous rock. So the correct answer will be the sandstone. C. Sandstone. C. Answer number 3. Which of the following is not a metallic mineral? Gold is mineral. Gold is metallic mineral. Silver is also metallic mineral. But diamond is not metallic mineral. Copper is metallic mineral. So the correct option will be the C. Once again, C. DIAMOND, diamond. Second, fill in the blanks. This is a special type of the question, fill in the blanks. They are are two options already given. You should tick only one correct answer and write down in the fill in the gap. Question number 1, answer number 1. Sandstone, amber and limestone are example of R is the example of sedimentary rock. Tick on the sedimentary. Answer number 2. Fossils are most often found in metamorphic rock, no. Sedimentary rock, yes. The correct answer will be the sedimentary rock. Answer number 3. Fossil fuels had stored energy of the dead plant or sun. It is stored the energy of sun. Answer number 4. Burning of fossil fuels causes air pollution, no land pollution. Air pollution. And last 5th. Answer number 5. Is one form of limestone. This is called marble. Marble is also type of the limestone. Marble. MARBLE. Write down, student, in the book. Okay, student, I am going to erase this. Third, match the following. match the following columns. Here are 5 columns. So answer number 1, write down answer number 2, answer number 3, answer number 4, answer number 6. In this way, write down in the book. Lava. Lava is generally igneous rock. Lava form when they cool on the surface, they form the igneous rock. C. Pumice. Pumice are very light in color because there are many air holes are found in this, which is used for scrubber. So correct answer will be the D. Phasis. This is types of fuels which is used generally in the industrial purposes. So correct answer will be the A. Fourth, sandstone. This is the form of sedimentary rock. E. And quartz. Quartz is a mineral which is found in the sandstone, which is make it the pink or grey in color. So it is the form of the which is used in the red fort while making the fort. The correct answer will be the B. Write down it. Now student, I hope you are all write down this. The fourth section of this chapter, the exercise that is the put odd one out. Put the odd one out, giving reason also. So all of you get ready to write down this answer in your classwork copy. Okay. After that, you will write down in your homework copy at your home. So write down in online classes in your classwork copy. Write down, student. Wait. Put the odd one out. Giving reason. Question number 1. Sandstone. Granite. Basalt. Obsidian. So, what is the clue to find out the correct reason? Sandstone, granite, basalt and obsidian. Student, sandstone is the example of sedimentary rock, and granite, basalt and obsidian are the example of igneous rock. So write down. Sandstone. because rest three are examples of, you can write down igneous rock. IGNE. Okay, because sandstone is the example of metamorphic sedimentary rock and the rest are the example of the igneous rock. Question number 2. Conglomerate CONGLOMERATE. Conglomerate aluminium, mica, marble slate, second marble, third slate, SLATE, quartzite, QUARTZITE, quartzite. So the odd one out in this conglomerate, because the sedimentary rock and marble slate and quartzite are the example of metamorphic rock. Answer to conglomerate, because rest three are examples of metamorphic rock. Write down, student. I am going to erase the question answer number 1. Now I am going to write down the question number 3rd. Question 3rd. Copper ALU aluminium, mica platinum, TiNu. So these are all the minerals. Some are the metallic and some are the non-metallic minerals. So what on out will be the mica. Mica, because rests three are examples of metallic minerals. Write down. Mica is a non-metallic mineral, because mica is a non-metallic mineral, and rest three are the example of metallic minerals. So I not write down all the full answer. I will only odd this the given option. Mica, you will understood about the metallic and non-metallic minerals. I am going to erase all this. Answer number 4. First of question. Question number 4 is igneous volcanic, IGNEO, igneous volcanic metamorphic and last is sedimentary. So igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary, these are the types of rock, and volcanic, this is the type of eruption. Answer volcanic, because rest three are types of rock. Write it. Student, listen very carefully. If you want, sir, please send me once again the answer of the exercise of 5th. So I am now no any clue or any record to write down the. Only my video is the record video. So all of you very sincerely write down the all question answer in your copy, or you can write down direct in your fair copy or in your transfer copy. Okay, student. And last is crushed soil, mantle and core. Crushed soil, mantle and core. So crust, mantle and core, these are the layer of earth. I am going to erase this. Answer number 3. Now question number 5. Crust, soil, mantle and core. So first of all, you will add out one, that is soil. Because the rest three are the layers of earth. The rest three are the layer of the earth. layers of the because this is converted as a noun. So write down today's homework. Learn learn today's question answer sincerely. Okay, so I hope you will all learn the all exercise, today's exercise which is explained in the online classes. Learn very sincere. Okay student, thank you. Your class is going over. I will also leave your class. Thank you. Have a nice day student. Thank you. Your class is over.